Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindan.
The gentle and chaste Gandhari, who was the daughter of King Subhal of Kandar, or Gandhar, followed her husband, seeing that he was going to the Himalaya mountains, which are the delight of those who have accepted the staff of the renounced order, like fighters who have accepted a good lashing from the enemy. Sobalini, or Gandhari, daughter of King Shubal and wife of King Dhritarashtra, was ideal as a wife devoted to her husband. The Vedic civilization especially prepares chaste and devoted wives, of whom Gandhari is one amongst many mentioned in history. Lakshmi Sitadevi was also a daughter of a great king, but she followed her husband, Lord Ramchandra, into the forest. Similarly, as a woman, Gandhari could have remained at home or at her father's house, but as a chaste and gentle lady, she followed her husband without consideration. Instructions for the renounced order of life were imparted to Dhritarashtra by Vidha, and Gandhari was by the side of her husband. But he did not ask her to follow him, because he was at that time fully determined, like a great warrior who faces all kinds of dangers in the battlefield. He was no longer attracted to so-called wife or relatives, and he decided to start alone, but as a chaste lady, Gandhari decided to follow her husband till the last moment. Maharaj Dhritarashtra accepted the order of Vanprasth, and at this stage the wife is allowed to remain as a voluntary servitor, but in the sannyas stage no wife can stay with her former husband. A sannyasi is considered to be a dead man civilly, and therefore the wife becomes a civil widow without connection with her former husband. Maharaj Dhritarashtra did not deny his faithful wife, and she followed her husband at her own risk. The sannyasis accept a rod as the sign of the renounced order of life. There are two types of sannyasis. Those who follow the Mayavadi philosophy headed by Sripad Shankaracharya accept only one rod, ekdand, but those who follow the Vaishnavite philosophy accept three combined rods, tridan. The Mayavadi sannyasis are ekadandi swamis, whereas the Vaishnav sannyasis are known as tridandi swamis, or more distinctly, tridandi goswamis, in order to be distinguished from the Mayavadi philosophers. The ekadandi swamis are mostly fond of the Himalayas, but the Vaishnav sannyasis are fond of Vrindavan and Puri. The Vaishnav sannyasis are Narottamas, whereas the Mayavadi sannyasis are Diyas. Maharaj Dhritarashtra was advised to follow the Dyaras because at that stage it was difficult for him to become a Narottam.